Hello everyone, today we are out at the farm picking some fresh cucumbers and going to make a cucumber salad. Cucumber salad is one of my favorites. It's super refreshing, low in calories and healthy. With cucumbers this fresh, all we need is a simple salad. Nothing fancy, just fresh and tasty. First, let's peel most of the skin off. This type of cucumber has thicker skin and a tiny bit of bitterness, but we also leave a little strip here and there, makes it look prettier on the finishing part. Then chop up the ends, slice them in half. If the seeds inside are really big and tough, you can just scrape them out with a spoon, but if they are small and tender, you can just leave them in. And then cut them into thin diagonal slices. Nice and simple. Now sprinkle about 1/3 teaspoon of salt over the cucumbers and mix them gently and let them sit for about 10 minutes. This step is super important. The salt helps draw out extra water, and which keeps the salad nice and crunchy and prevents the dressing from getting too watery. After they have rested, just pop a plate on top, tilt the bowl carefully, and pour out the water. Here I'm using crushed garlic. This makes the garlic flavor stronger, sharper, and fresher compared to minced garlic. It's perfect for a cold dish. Now time to bring everything together. Add the garlic, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, half a teaspoon sugar, some white pepper, half a teaspoon sesame seeds, half a teaspoon sesame oil, and then half a teaspoon chili oil. If you like it really spicy, you can add more. Then give it all a good mix. And that's it. Super quick, super fresh. This cucumber salad is crunchy, a little spicy, and just so refreshing. Hope you like it and give it a try. Thank you for watching.